Hello guys, this is Mark from ZHONGLI Pallet, which is both construction machinery ever 16 years. Today we are in Xiamen, Xie province, ZHONGLI Pallet. There are tons of models today. Let me run pallet down work.
This model is fully electric and working type. The loading capacity is 1500 kg, while the load center is 500 mm, but its self-weight is only 510 kg. Its DC model drive motor rated power is 0.75 kW. Lifting motor rated power is 2.2 kW. The standard lifting height is 2430 mm, while the most lowered height is 1817 mm. The minimum ground clearance is 90 mm. The fork outside wise is 570 mm. The dimension of this model is 1708 plus 882 plus 1817 mm. This stacker can go with 4 km/h without goods and lifts 0.13 meter per second.
If you are interested in this model or any other brands from China or any other models, please feel free to contact me via the Sam in chat or video. Thank you for your time, guys. See you next time.